Wala tubig, guys. Wala po tubig. Simula kanina alas 9, mag alas 2 na.
Inipis ko lang ang tae ko, guys.
Ay, kay Bika, magtayo tayo.
Hindi eh. Joke lang.
Istoryahe. She needs to poop, mahal. So ngayon, dalhin po natin si Mamang kung saan ako na-admit. Maganyan ka doon, Mang, ha, sa labas ng ospital ba? Para ano ba, maraming mag-click ba? Clickbait. Tapos maganyan ka, maganyan ba? Parang mag-iyak ka ba?
Ako na lang.
Maganyan ka, Mang, kay para maraming manood, ha? Sige, mamaya, pag nasa labas tayo ng ospital. Tapos, ang sabihin ko, naka-record ba daw? Tapos, ang sabihin ko sa, sa title na, grabe ang iyak ni Mother. Kadami talagang manood niya.
Di ba paano ka ni, i-vlog yung, ano ka?
Wag mo muna sabihin yan, kay i-vlog ko yan. Minaltrato daw ako ng nurse. Ha?
Mag-shoutout.
Sige, mag-shoutout kasi, no?
Teka lang, hanapin ko
Dito pala si Daniel
Shout out
Padilla.
kay Ma'am Cheche, Innorables, Fish Cagers. Palitan na ninyo iyang yuta, guys. Okay, Sir Gargar, ug sa tanang Fish Cagers. Please na. Wala, matagal.
Wala, wag na.
Tini Aro, Nestle, Kim Emanuel, kay Castro Mayor, Princess Artao. Yan.
Okay na? Shout out.
Marian Libartos, Burlasa White.
Ikaw, mahal.
Shout out to all my pare.
Yung Fish Cagers, mga kaibigan po nila sa Pilipinas. Na-shock sila, guys, sa ospital ng Netherlands para daw mall at saka para daw airport. Yan sila. Nag-vlog na sila, guys. Panoorin nyo sa reels. One big happy family, guys. Magpakuha ako ng dugo. Kay bukas may check up po ako sa aking liver. So ngayon po nila kunan ng dugo. Sinama ko sila, Mamang. First time ni Itay sa bahay ni Bianan, guys.
Papakasalan ko. Para ma-residence ako dito.
Ito si Mamang nagbebenta ng lupa. Bili na ng lupa, guys. Busy yan siya sa kanyang lupain. First time ni Itay. Sige, Tay, pasok ka, Tay. I-tour ka namin sa bahay. I-tour ka namin sa bahay.
Berry ito, di ba?
Kung hindi yan makain.
Di ba?
Poisonous yan. Look at that. You can eat that?
No, don't eat that.
Where are they? Outside?
You have a big place too.
Yeah.
Parang nasa China po.
Parang nasa China daw si Mother, guys.
Hello.
You look nice. Sana all.
Very fast.
You haven't been here.
Yeah, first time. Vika, it's his first time.
This is my first time. Yeah.
Very nice house, the design.
It's a different type of style in their house.
Yeah,
Yeah.
more old fashioned. And
Yeah.
a lot of art. I have a lot of art.
Modern house. Siya nag-design.
She's asking if you design your house. You know the.
No.
No, what I mean that where you put
Where
your.
you put this one.
How do you say that, mahal?
Myself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, Arnold.
Akala niyo mahulog si Itay. Show you around daw.
Nag-play ka na ta?
Kay first time ni Itay.
Lying in the room.
For me, it looks like modern.
Modern.
very
Yeah, it's
modern.
from 1970.
Oh no, it's still modern.
Yeah. First downstairs. New kitchen.
That's also yours.
Yeah.
That
This
part?
is
Oh,
yeah.
this one also, this room.
Yeah. It's one house.
Oh, okay.
Saan siya natulog sa taas?
Sa taas.
Arnold is freestanding house, so I'm not sharing walls with anyone.
Yeah.
Oh, this is your working art room.
Yeah. Look, this is the garage.
Yeah.
Garage.
Garage.
Oh, okay.
But I don't put the car in it.
Nice.
Diyan mga
Washing
ano
machine
yan.
and the dry,
Ano nga yan? Vase.
This is
Dito siya naglalaba.
Oh, nice. This was your work
when I
art
still
room.
was working.
You're
This
stepping
was
down.
my working place.
Yeah.
You too.
It's okay.
You also paint.
Pwede tayo magkuha dito, guys. Oh.
Nice.
Maybe we need something from here, mahal.
Like what? Nothing.
This is the grocery of week.
there only
Nathan, I see your lubot.
Oh,
And there is a road.
Nathan,
and then
Nathan,
there
I
are
see your
no,
lubot.
Horses on the road or cars.
Busy
then
siya.
you can drive.
oh, yeah. Lawyer. I almost finished my lawyer, but
And then you try to be president, right?
almost. President of the.
You could
the
write fairy tales.
President in the mental hospital.
Don't listen to him because he's just...
All fairy tales.
Yeah, all
President in the mental hospital. Sorry, Vika.
And then you
I'm
try
talking
to
nonsense.
be, you try to be director of the theme park, right? You also slept Vika.
Huh?
Yeah.
Your
Once.
teacher slapped you, Vika?
Yeah.
Why?
What did I do? Now,
What did you do? You
because
slapped her too?
No, I was very annoying.
Really?
How old
Yeah.
were you?
14.
14 years old?
14, yeah.
Really, Vika? What
Yeah.
did you do? Cry?
No.
You slapped her too.
Yeah, he slapped me like this. I slapped him like that.
Uy, dito ba talaga kayo
Really?
mag-bayan sila?
And after that,
Magbalos.
it was okay.
Woman?
We never, no man.
Oh,
we
man.
never spoke about it.
Yeah?
And, we were big friends. My father always said, I don't slap you. If anyone slaps you, you can do it back.
Oh.
Yeah.
But it was a reflex.
Yeah.
It was, yeah,
This inside in the classroom?
Nagsampalan ng
in
teacher.
the, in the
hallway.
corridor.
Yeah? How about you, Mahal? Did you slap your teacher too, Mahal?
No, but my teacher also did not slap me.
No, that was
Yeah.
on another time, yeah.
14 years old, you're that
Yeah.
Ikaw, tayo, may nasampal ka na ng teacher, you slap your...
The teacher slapped me in the head. And that's it. Go to the principal office. That's it. I'm kicked out in the school. No more school.
No,
You are not allowed to slap teacher in the Philippines, Vika.
no, but here also,
You're not...
to slap anyone.
yeah.
You also can't slap your child.
Your child, yeah, you're not allowed. Uy. Si Bianan daw, nag-piano lesson daw siya. What was that, Vika? When you
Well,
were
I
playing...
did it wrong, and then he did puff, and then I did puff. 1 year extra?
No?
No.
It is five
It is 5 years.
It is
yeah.
5 years.
5 years you
Yeah.
took the electrical engineer.
Electrical engineer, yeah. It's 5 years study.
Did you do masteral? Masteral.
No, I did not masturbate.
Masteral ba? Masteral that you go to
I have
university.
bachelor degree. If you want master, you need to go to university.
University. Tay, mag-i ka nandyan sa baba, tay.
Hindi, okay.
Asa dire pe?
Diyan. Huwag ka mahiya, tay.
Yeah, it's okay.
But university is not for me. You know why? You need to speak Latin.
Uy,
No, not everywhere, though.
No?
No.
Oh, then that was
That is
gymnasium.
Gymnasium. Yeah.
Gymnasium. Yeah, that's
What-
why I
what-
did not go to
what-
gymnasium.
what is gymnasium?
That's like high school for when you want to go to university immediately.
Ah,
And I did not go there because then you need to speak German, French, and Latin. And
And Greek.
oh yeah, well, all of those. And
You did to-
what
you
I
did
wanted
go
to
to
do was
university, Big.
dump all the languages
No,
as quickly as I can because I really hate the language.
ikaw, tay, how many years did you do the, doctorate?
3 years. Almost another 2 years. I almost finished my doctor.
Anong masasabi mo sa bahay ni Vika, tay?
Ganda, malaki. Oh. Maraming halaman.
Sa vlog niya lang daw
Ano kaya
nakikita.
tayo ito
Sa vlog ko
itanim,
yun.
no? Paano kaya ito itanim, no?
Tanungin mo si Vika.
Dito na ako.
Pwede ba magdala ng mga ganyan pa Pilipinas?
Pwede man, basta
Gusto
din
niya
mo
daw
itanim
ito.
sa loob ng ano.
Sa
bahay, aircon.
meron na silang mga seeds. Vika, we can buy... Vika, can we buy seeds? Seeds like this, Vika. this plant.
Seeds, plants.
They want to bring... Yeah.
Oh, I can have a look. Yeah.
Saan tayo magpunta? Magkain ka doon sa may robot? Baka kakain po kami doon sa may Korean restaurant. Nakauwi na po tayo. May tubig na dito sa bahay, guys. Nagsimula siya mga alas 10 tayo, no? Oh, alas 10. Wala na pong tubig hanggang alas 2 kasi may inayos nga po daw sila. Ano po, buong street dito, walang tubig. Gutom na si Itay, guys. 5:30 pa ang appointment namin sa Korean. Villanelle Boughton. Ah.
Tignan mo, saan ako malapit?
Kan. May ano dyan sinangag. Tingnan si Daniel. Hala, yeah, like that big, mahal to you. Grabe na.
Actual size.
Meron tayo sinangag dyan, oh. Kain namin kanina. You're also hungry, my love?
Taste.
Hmm?
I just want to taste. Tastes good because it's not
Nakakita siya ng mani. Nakita ka niya, tay. Hindi na siya makapaghintay. Hindi kasi nag-lunch.
Dalawang subo lang naman na.
Kasi alam nyo naman dito, mag-brunch lang talaga ako. Hindi man ako kumain kanina, hindi din sila kumain. Ngayon, gipang gutom.
No, okay.
Excited na masyado siya sa robot para mamaya doon sa Korean barbecue, guys.
May robot pa doon?
May robot. Magkita kayo ng robot mamaya. Ha? Anong sabihin mo sa robot?
Hello, hello.
Anong sabihin mo sa robot? Sabihin mo.
Happy hotel.
Kat ko matyaw. Okay lang ba? Okay ka lang ba? Ganon daw sabi niya sa robot. Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Namula na naman ang mata ni Nathan. Nandito na po tayo malapit sa Koya. Si Madam, oh. Ngayon, ang ano namin, kanya-kanya na kami ng bayad. Guys. Kanya-kanya na kami ng bayad sa restaurant. Wala nang anak-anak, nanay-nanay ito.
Styles na to, guys.
Oh, that styles na. Nagbigay na si Mamang ng pera sa akin para sa kanilang dalawa ni Tay. Kasi sinabi ko siya ba, Mang, kahit tayo sa labas, Mang, pero dapat kanya-kanya tayo ng bayad. Dali na kayo, magpunta tayo sa robot mo.
Robot?
Nathan, saan ang robot, Nathan?
Inisapan.
Nagslapan pa? Natulog pa daw ang robot. May nag-LQ dito. Love quarrel. O sige, ang love quarrel. Mag-cheers tayo, mag-cheers. Hello! Robot! Hello!
Hi!
Diyan na siya. Try mo, Mang.
Oh, that's nice.
Wow, robot! Anong sabi ng robot?
Ako ang nagkain na ito manod-order niya.
Si Nathan. When you say stuff like that, you need to say it in the vlog. It's not... Sige na, mahal. Thank you for sharing this food with us.
Nice. Thank you for sharing this nice meal with us.
Actually,
I'm enjoying.
Ha?
I want to invite
You know, Vika cannot, Mang. Labi
Vika
na.
cannot eat this.
That's why you cannot invite her with this food because she
Anything
cannot.
you can eat, she's saying no.
Yeah.
Only vegetables or what?
No, just light food. Pero ito hindi niya na tumakain.
Heavy.
Very heavy na to.
A la carte.
Kaya may sakit ba si Bianan sa tiyan.
Like this chicken. Camera, mahal. Camera.
I love you so much.
Darap mo siya, eh.
Yeah, you told me I need to say to you the camera when I do stuff like that.
Enjoy everyone. Ikaw, ang sushi mo wala pa. Hintayin natin ang sushi, okay?
Uy, camera, mahal, mahal. Camera. Mahal. Camera, mahal. Mahal. I enjoyed so much, mahal. Thank you.
Darap mo siya. Dessert, everyone. Ice cream. Sinatano ice cream.
Ice cream sa french fries, everyone.
Ice cream and french fries.
Bili na lupa, guys.
That's something they do in every day.
Yeah.
Ice cream. Green iced tea ice cream.
Enjoy.
Why? Why?
Ice cream and french fries.
Green tea ice cream. Big green tea.
Green tea ice cream.
Ano ba yan sa Pinas? Ano po? Yung ano?
I remember mahal.
What do you remember?
I remember last time when Vika was with us and Garner was very drunk
Where was that?
in our house.
Yung ano, birthday. Ay,
And then talking about when you were a mother and taking care of IT and crying.
yung
Birthday ni
last
Nata.
ba, na nag-ano, party tayo ng Isla Precious.
Wala, andyan sila JC.
You were very emotional.
Dahil Yeah, robot si Besa.
Ay, favorite ko nito ngayon. Philippine ice cream.
Robot si Janet Beth. Hala, nilibre kami ng first time, mahal. First time. Free shot, suju.
Baka naisip nila, baka ma-impactyo kami kay Big.
Ay, kadami na i-order.
Dami ang in-order namin.
First time, mahal, right?
Yes, you said because your parents are here from the Philippines.
Ay! Because you're here from the Philippines.
Ay, alam niya.
Told them?
He said,
No, because I told them that that is for my mother.
Okay.
Mm.
Cheers to the mother.
For the mother.
she's for the father.
Kuya, uy. Tapos na po kaming kumain. Andito tayo ngayon sa Paulo. Ay para makapagpa-picture po sila dito. Kaya nung huli nakadaan po kami dito. Sige na, picturean kita, tay. Ang mga reels mo dyan. Ang reels mo. Oh, mag-reels ka na. Ibigay mo sa kanya. Kaya cellphone mo ba? Front cam lang. Wala pang nag-message, tay. Nabigyan kanila ng cellphone. Tay, wala pang nag-message sa kanila. Nabigyan kanila ng cellphone. Yung mga subscriber. Kaya ang ano niya, ang camera niya, front cam lang po. Hindi siya makabidyo ba? Ay makita man ang binibidyohan niya ang muka. Picture daw, tay. Mahal, can you take a picture for Garner, my love, and then send it to her, mahal?
Yeah.
My phone is not here. Dahil na picture kayo doon, tay. Front cam.
Like this or like this?
Like whatever. Picture Nathan, smile. Ay sus, kaganda naman. Cheese. Sinatan, mag-picture ka doon, dali. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Wow. Reels na reels. Nag-reels na si Itay, guys. Ang front cam. Yeah. Picture mo daw muna siya, tay. Anday na kayo dalawa ni Mang. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Cheese. Oh, ikaw na lang, Mang. Cheese. Sinata. Cheese. Sige. Picture mo sila, Mang. Dali na. Tapos nang maliligayang araw. Uwi na tayo, uwi na.
Nasa season?
Bigyan na siton. Magupo daw siya. Uwi na, opo.
Onita, das fish. Come on.
Uwi na. Uwi na tayo.
Thank you, guys.
Wala ko lito.
Dali na. Nathan, back on our house. Dali na. Dito kayo magbaba.
Isang sakayan lang, Rotterdam.
Isang sakayan lang. Pabalik na po tayo sa sasakyan. Mahal, hold your son, mahal. Mahal, where did you get a soju? Saan niyo kayo naku? Siguro yung ano pa yan ba? Yung hindi ako buntis. Oh, is that when I was not pregnant yet?
Yeah.
She wants tea.
Okay.
Yeah, she wants green tea, mahal.
Green tea? We can do both.
Tea break, everyone. Where's the soju?
Garner drunk it all already.
12 years na ako hindi nagpakita ng aking braso, guys.
Ha?
Garner drank it all already.
Uy, water please, Nathan. Buttercrack.
Oh, the size.
Met ice, Nathan, Kra.
Yung mga mama, may ice crunch.
Kami natapos na.
Thank you, Belle.
Yung mga ice po, mama.
Binigyan niya ako ng pagkain dito. Oh. Pipino tsaka pizza. Ice. Say ice for Mama, Kra.
Ice po, mama.
Thank you, Belle. Bena. Thank you, Belle, Nathan. There's 3 ice. Thank you, Belle.
Wait, for Nathan.
Aw. Cheesy ka. Ano yung ginagawa kay Mama kanina?
Ang paa niya.
Ano yan? Saan mo nakuha yan?
Nathan. Cheese. Help. Cheese. Come on. Kom eens hier. Kijk, en doe je zo. Zo. Op je kin. Nee, hoofd naar beneden. Nee.
Tay, ibaba mo ang ulo mo. Ibaba ang ulo mo.
Hier, hoofd naar beneden. Zo. Cheese.
Pogi. Sabi mo, Pogi. O, kantahan mo na lang kami, be. Kantahan mo kami. Ay, sayawan mo kami. Dali, ano yung ano mo yun? Another one basta das. Tug. Another one. Ang kamay. Tug. Di na. Another one basta das. Doon, sayaw. Tug. O, sige, iba na lang. We will rock you. Tug. Oaknit? Anong gusto mo? Cutest. Ano si cutest?
Cutest. It's because I'm Filipino. It's cutest.
Don't you think he's the cutest?
Cutest. Cute daw, cute.
Ha?
Pinaka-cute. No.
Pinaka-cute.
Cutest. Kala ko cutix ang
Cutest.
sinasabi niya. Cutix.
Cutest. Mahal, you're Filipino na, mahal.
I'm Filipino na.
Cutest, good.
Hala, nandiyan na naman. Kanina, sino yung may sabi ng
Cutest, good.
sweetness?
Sweetness.
Sweetness. Ang sabi ni Mamang, sweetness. So, ako ang nagsabi ng sweetness, Mang. Ikaw nag-sweetness.
Dagan pa dong, kulang pa dong.
Tama na yan.
Dong, taga-asa ka, Dong.
Taga Davao, sabihin mo. Taga Davao. Tiu. Ha? O, kama.
To be a track and field boy.
Ano yan? What was that?
Wala. Ano?
What? What was that, Nathan?
Cute. Pogi daw, ganun cute.
You daw, mahal. Mahal you daw, mahal.
Yaman.
It's nice ba to do that? Just give me your money with Oma, mahal.
Papiin natin kasi ginamani si Uma.
Just give me your money.
Uma ba?
Oh, gani. Ulit. Dali dito. Just give me your money. Guys, tingnan nyo si Tay, ha. Nag-reels yan siya. Akala ko nag-reels ka, Tay. Hindi pala siya nag-reels. Nagmomo si Daniel. Eh, mahaba na po yung mga ano natin dyan. Mga damo po natin dyan. Si Nathan, doon pa, alas 8 na. Alas 8 na po dito ng gabi.